Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Surya. In this video, we are going to discuss conditional formatting in Excel. Conditional formatting is nothing but highlighting certain values or cells based on specific conditions so that it will be easier to identify and understand. Let's try it out in Excel. The table contains purchase order data. It has various columns like supplier, order number, item number, and so on. Let's highlight the values of quantity column. For that, we have to select the values that we want to identify. To select the value, first select 2-3 columns, then hit Shift Control and down arrow. All the values are selected. Then in toolbar, go to Home, then Conditional Formatting. Here you will get various options. Let's try each option one by one. Let's try the highlighting cell rules first. In highlighting cell rules, we can highlight the cells by defining rules like greater than, less than, between, and etc. Let's try the less than option for. Let's try the less than option here. Less than, then format cells that are less than. Let's put the value as 10,000 with let's make it as green fill with dark green text. Here you can see all the cells that contains the values of less than 10,000 has been highlighted with green color. The next option is top bottom rules. Using top bottom rules, we can format cells that rank in the top, bottom, average, below average, etc. Let's try the top 10%. For that, first we have to select the cells. Let's select the order cost column cells, then go to conditional formatting, then top bottom rules, then top 10%. Let's make it as 20%. Format cells that rank in the top 20% with let's select okay, let's go to custom format. We can customize the color according to our requirement. Let's make it as this. Let's make this font as bold and border as solid line and click OK. Then OK. Here you can see all the top 20% values are highlighted as per our input. Let's clear the highlights or conditional formatting. For that, we have to select both the columns and go to conditional formatting, then clear rules, then clear rules for selected cells. We can also clear rules for the entire sheet. Click it. Let's select the order cost column, hit Shift Control down arrow, then conditional formatting, then data bars. Here you will get various options like this, and you can also define your rule according to our requirement. Let's try this one. Here you can see each cell is highlighted with a bar, and the length of the bar is proportionate to the data value it represents. Let's clear this. For that, you have to select the cell, then conditional formatting, and clear the rules. Yeah, it's done. Let's try the color scale option. In each option, you can see there are various colors. The top colors represents the larger values, the bottom colors represents the smaller values, and the medium one represents the medium values. Let's select the cell order cost, then conditional formatting, then color scale, then let's select this one. And it's done. Let's clear the rules. We can also select multiple columns and highlight the column based on our requirement like this. In conditional formatting, the next option is icon set. You can see there are various icons, directional, save, indicator, ratings, etc. Let's try this saves. Here the first one represents the higher value, the middle one represents the medium values, and the last one represents the lower value. Let's select this and it's done. The next options are new rules, clear rules, manage rules. In new rules and manage rule, we can customize the rules. In clear rule, we can clear the rule from the selected columns or the entire column. That's all for this video. Thank you.